Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. Today I am going to show you a very interesting and amazing project which is called Mario game. I have made this project by using Python programming language. Last 3 days I was working for this project. Finally yesterday I have done this project. As you see the source code, this is actually full project. So guys, let's see my project. So guys, let's verify my project. So I run Mario. Yeah, done. This project runs successfully. You can see here, press any key to start. So I press any key. Yes, this game start. Yeah, done. Let's see my project introduction. This is Mario and this is dinosaur. This is upper point and this is lower point. This is fire. The game will be over for 3 conditions. If the Mario touches upper point or lower point or fire, the game will be over. So I run it again. Yeah. You can see here score 5, 6, 7, level 1, top score 1. Oh my god. Yes. You can see here score 11, level 2, top score 1. So it's work properly. So I close it. Now I would like to show you how you can download source code and which procedure that you need to follow during run this project. Important things that you need to watch full video carefully, otherwise if you face any problem during run this project, I won't be able to help you. First of all, you need to download source code from description, then follow my video. So I close it. This is full project file, simple Mario game Python. Click it. Read me fast. You must be read it. Then you click here, simple Mario game. This is the important file. If you delete any file and rename any folder or file, this project fully damaged. So be careful. Then you click here, Mario. I click it. I open it in my pygame. Just draw it. Yeah, done. Then you simply click run and run Mario or click run. Then click Mario. Yeah, done. If you face any problem during run the code, feel free to text me. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next.